वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू माय लवली व्यूअर। आई होप कि आप और आपकी फैमिली अच्छे होंगे। माय नेम इज अर्शदीप बजाज एंड आई रिप्रेजेंट माय फर्म इन स्पेस रियल्टी, अ यूनिट ऑफ बजाज प्रॉपर्टी, a 3-decade old real estate firm dealing in Dwarka and Gurgaon. A one-stop solution for all your real estate needs. बहुत सारी फ्लैशी वीडियोस देखी होंगी आपने, लेकिन इस वीडियो में सिर्फ वो बातें होंगी जो आपके डिसीजन में जेन्युइनली आपको हेल्प करें और आपको एक एजुकेट करने का मेरा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है उसे भी आगे बढ़ाए। इसीलिए हमारी सभी वीडियोस 2 लैंग्वेजेस में अपलोड होती हैं। तो अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो आप नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक पर क्लिक कर हिंदी वीडियो का एक्सेस ले सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो अंडरस्टैंडिंग शाहपुरजी पलौंजी जॉयविल सेक्टर 102 गुड़गांव। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं दैट एवरी प्रोजेक्ट मेजरली कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ 3 पार्टीज, लैंड ओनर, डेवलपर एंड बिल्डर। इस प्रोजेक्ट की इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि ये तीनों रोल्स शाहपुरजी पलौंजी ग्रुप ने अपनी डिफरेंट एंटिटीज के थ्रू खुद ही फुलफिल करे हैं। दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेन यूएसपीज ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट, as शाहपुरजी पलौंजी ग्रुप is one of the top developers and construction companies in India, and they have delivered a number of good projects in diverse markets such as Mumbai and Kolkata. If we compare, mostly सभी प्रोजेक्ट्स में 3 रोल्स अलग-अलग कंपनीज फुलफिल करती हैं। Even though if it is convenient, it might create a margin for error in the long run. All 3 roles being fulfilled by the same entity is something जो आपको ऑलमोस्ट एक्सप्रेसवे के किसी और प्रोजेक्ट में देखने को नहीं मिलेगा। Now coming to the location. एक्सप्रेसवे रीजन को समझने के लिए हमें 3 मेजर रोड्स को समझना जरूरी है। 150 मीटर वाइड हमारा एक्सप्रेसवे है जो कि एक नेशनल हाईवे है। उसके बाद 75 मीटर रोड जिस पर सोबा सिटी लोकेटेड है, which runs parallel to expressway and connecting them are multiple 60 meter roads, also called sector dividing roads. Joyville is also located on such a 60 meter road. ये रोड हमें एक साइड पे 75 मीटर रोड पे एंड दूसरी साइड पे डायरेक्टली हीरो होंडा चौक से कनेक्ट करता है यूजिंग द अंडरपास बिलो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे फॉलोड बाय द रेल ओवर ब्रिज विद barely any red lights. Further, Dwarka Expressway is directly linking us to Dwarka on the left, SPR and Golf Course Extension Road on the right. The location of Sector 102 holds strategic importance as it is literally located in the center of Gurgaon. Left लेकर जितनी देर हमें द्वारका पहुंचने में लगती है उतनी ही देर में राइट लेकर हम SPR भी पहुंच सकते हैं। Also, गुड़गांव में बहुत कॉमन है कि लगभग हर सेक्टर में इवन गोल्फ कोर्स रोड के सेक्टर्स में कोई ना कोई विलेज मिल जाते हैं। Sector 102 has no village. It's a clean sector. Now let's get into the specific details about Sector 102. Along with the township by BPTP named Amstoria, which is more than 100 acres, a major portion of land is being developed by Adani Limited also, measuring around 40 acres in Sector 102 and its adjoining Sector 102A. इसमें रेजिडेंशियल और कमर्शियल दोनों तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। A dedicated video for the same is available on our channel and you can find a link for the same in the description box below. A 100-acre Huda Park is also planned right opposite to the project in Sector 102A. Even if that project takes time, it will forever be a reserved green space. Therefore, no high-rises will come in this 100-acre land parcel. For the first-time viewers, there are 2 more videos that you can refer to. The first one being an introductory video of me and my firm, and आपका काम आसान करने के लिए एक दूसरी वीडियो भी है, which is to broaden your understanding about various terms used in real estate, like super area, carpet area, built-up area, loading, RERA और भी बहुत कुछ। इन दोनों ही वीडियोस का लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा एंड इट माइट बी रियली इन्फॉर्मेटिव फॉर यू। टू गेट नोटिफाइड व्हेनेवर वी अपलोड, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल इन स्पेस रियल्टी। नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडमार्क्स अराउंड दिस प्रोजेक्ट। The project is located at a distance of 10 kilometers or a 12 minutes drive from the Delhi border and is close to some of the best social infrastructure in the entire Gurgaon region. World-class schools like BPS, shopping complexes, new age convention centers and more. Delhi Public School Junior Wing is right opposite to this project and the senior wing is barely 1.5 kilometers away. Also, there are more schools around the project as listed. The Adani Oyster Arcade, which is a complete commercial project having SCO plots in 2.5 acres, is just walking distance from Joyville. Some other shopping complexes are listed on your screen. In addition to all this, the society also has some shops present in the premises for the convenience of the residents. Around 40 shops. Talking about the medical facilities around this project, Sheetla Mata Medical College is coming up in Sector 102A, which is a 650-bed multi-specialty government hospital spread across 40 acres. There are some other noteworthy medical facilities not too far away from this project, as listed on the screen. As discussed earlier in the sector highlights, 100-acre Huda Park is right opposite Shapurji Palonji Joyville in Sector 102A. Also, the only metro project that has been approved so far is in Sector 101, barely a kilometer away. The details for the same are mentioned in the description box below. All the remaining noteworthy landmarks and their distance from the project are listed on your screen. All of the above mentioned landmarks make it one of the most organized and well-planned sectors of the entire expressway region. This sector boasts multiple A-grade projects from reputed developers such as MR Imperial Gardens, Shapurji Palonji Joyville, BPTP Amstoria, Conscient Heritage Max, and MR Gurgaon Greens. Shapurji Joyville was announced in January of 2019 and the project has been constructed and delivered in phases. The first phase, consisting of 4 towers, that's right behind me, were Meridian, Crest, Pinnacle and Summit. They were delivered in early 2023. The Crown Tower, which is the only 4 BHK tower out of all these 13 towers, was delivered in September 2023. The third and final phase of the project was delivered in early 2025, and as of now, Shapurji Palonji Joyville is completely delivered and ready to move in. As the project was conceptualized in phases, registration was done in a similar fashion, with the entire project divided and registered with 6 phases, the respective RERA numbers of which are visible on your screen right now. When we enter the market to buy a property, 2 तरह की transactions होती हैं normally. न्यू बुकिंग का मतलब जब हम डेवलपर से डायरेक्टली खरीदते हैं, एंड रीसेल का मतलब जब हम एक एग्जिस्टिंग ओनर से उन्हीं का यूनिट उनसे परचेज कर लेते हैं। सिंस जॉयविले हैज बीन सोल्ड आउट बाय द डेवलपर फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम नाउ, इस प्रोजेक्ट की सारी ट्रांजैक्शंस अब रीसेल की ही होती हैं। Now let's dive into the master plan of this project. So this project consists of 13 towers, जिसमें कई phases में अलग-अलग तरीके से towers launch हुए थे. Phase 1 are towers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Phase 2 was 13, 12, 11 and 10. And 5 also. 5 is the Crown Tower. And पीछे के जो 4 tower है, they were phase 3. Phases का अब कोई relevance रह नहीं गया since this property is ready to move in. But phase 1 में builder ने सिर्फ ACs दिए थे. Phase 2 में builder ने kitchen and ACs दोनों दिए थे. फेज 3 में बिल्डर ने बालकनी गार्डन बना कर दिया था, जिसमें आपकी मास्टर बेडरूम की बालकनी को बिल्डर ने प्रॉपर्ली ग्रीन कार्पेट कर एंड बारबेक्यू पिट्स के साथ डिलीवर किया था, अलॉन्ग विद किचन एंड एसीज। आउट ऑफ दीज 13 टावर्स, अगर हमें शाहपुर जी को थोड़े सिंपल शब्दों में समझना हो, 7 टावर्स आर ऑफ 3 BHK, 5 towers are of 2 BHK. There's only one tower which is a 4 BHK tower which is right in the center of the property. Majorly जो 3 बेडरूम के टावर्स हैं उनमें एक फ्लोर पे 6 फ्लैट हैं, 2 बेडरूम के टावर्स में एक फ्लोर पे 8 फ्लैट हैं एंड 4 बेडरूम के टावर में एक फ्लोर में सिर्फ 4 ही फ्लैट हैं। सो इन 13 टावर्स में सारे टावर्स की हाइट अलग है। जैसे एंटर करते ही लेफ्ट साइड पे मेरिडियन, राइट साइड पे ग्रैंडिस आर 26 स्टोरी। दीज 2 आर द टॉलेस्ट टावर्स एज वी एंटर। इनके बाद के जो नीचे के 2 टावर्स आर 20 स्टोरी, दे आर ऑल्सो 3 BHK एंड उसके बाद नीचे 14 स्टोरी के 2 बेडरूम आते हैं एज वी एंटर द प्रॉपर्टी। पीछे वाले फेज में देर आर 3 टावर्स ऑफ 14 फ्लोर्स एंड 1 जेड टावर इज ऑफ 18 फ्लोर एंड क्राउन इज अ 23 स्टोरी टावर। और आसान तरीके से समझने के लिए 2 बेडरूम के सभी टावर 14 स्टोरी हैं। इन 3 BHK वी गेट डिफरेंट हाइट्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 14, 18, 20 and 26, and the 4 BHK tower is a 23-story tower located right in the center of the property, right along the clubhouse. Crown Tower is a luxury offering by the developer. They made no units on the ground floor altogether. The idea was that the residents of the 4 BHK get some little extra leisure space right below their tower, which consists of a billiards table, a foosball table and some more amenities right there. The leisure space is not exclusive to the 4 BHK residents and it's available for the other 2 and 3 BHK residents as well. The Crown Tower lies in the center of the property, which means that it's also surrounded by 3 major parks. But even after that, it's also surrounded by all the other towers, and considering the high density of Shapurji Palonji Joyville, it feels cluttered. Crown Tower is a flagship offering by the developer. तो बिल्डर ने इसे डिफरेंशिएट कैसे किया? इसमें हर फ्लोर पर सिर्फ 4 ही फ्लैट हैं। हर फ्लैट पे 2 रिजर्व कार पार्किंग मिलती है, जबकि बाकी फ्लैट्स में सिर्फ 1 मिलती है 2 and 3 BHK में। उसके अलावा इसके ग्राउंड फ्लोर पर कोई भी यूनिट नहीं है। द बिल्डर हैज क्रिएटेड अ स्मॉल क्लब हाउस लेजर स्पेस फॉर द रेजिडेंट्स ऑफ द 4 BHK यूजर्स, बट उन्होंने उसको 2 and 3 BHK के लिए भी ओपन रखा है। एडिंग टू दैट, द डेवलपर हैज ऑल्सो मेड स्पेस ऑन 2 डिफरेंट टेरेसेस फॉर द 4 BHK यूजर्स, जहाँ पे बिल्डर ने ग्रीन कार्पेट लगा रखा है एंड दे हैव गिवन सम आउटडोर फर्नीचर एंड ऑल 4 BHK यूजर्स कैन एक्चुअली एक्सेस दैट एज एन एरिया। ये फैसिलिटी 2 2 and 3 BHK में अवेलेबल नहीं है। शाहपुर जी की हर एक टेरेस पर नॉर्मली सोलर पैनल्स हैं and they are not accessible by the residents, but this adds to the 4 BHK luxury. The developer claims that 75% space in the project is open, but how much of that open space is taken up by parks and other green features is not specifically outlined by the developer. The central space of this project consists of 3 parks, which are approximately 1 acre each, taking the central green area to approximately 3.5 acres. These parks also have a particular theme attributed to them. Topaz, Coral and Sapphire were the names of these parks, and they were basically designed in a way that it would stay in a particular color all through the seasons. In addition to the club and the parks, 9 pocket amenity spaces have been provided by the developer. These include mostly jungle gym equipment such as the parallel dip bar, pull-up bars, kids play areas and more. This has been done to reduce some pressure from the clubhouse, which is very small when we consider the club density, the exact numbers of which we'll discuss in the end of this video. In my opinion, these spaces are practical, but the usability in harsh weather conditions, especially for kids, might be questionable to say the least. Industrial-sized air purifiers are installed in open spaces by the developer, but the question of how impactful they are is still there, considering a lot of similar structures have been installed by the Delhi government, but they don't seem to create any considerable impact on the air quality. The project has 2 gates. One is the main entrance on the 60-meter road, and the second entry is at the back, which is only accessible through the BPTP Amstoria township, right behind Joyville. Now talking about the area. To make it more informative for our clients, we have also tried to accumulate some data from Google Earth. The front of this particular property is more than 250 meters and its distance from expressway is roughly 700 meters. Another thing that needs to be mentioned here is that although the property has been advertised to be roughly 18 acres, the RERA filings records show that some portion of that land parcel is used up as road area and the actual construction zone might be less than 18 acres. The entire project is constructed using My1 shuttering technology, which ensures quicker construction, better strength and better delivery. The project has been completed majorly by Shapoorji's in-house engineering team by the name of Shapoorji Engineering and Construction. There are no available public records stating involvement of any external public contractor. My1 का basic मतलब है कि आपके फ्लैट की सारी external walls will be made from concrete and iron rebars. As far as we know for this project, even the internal walls are concrete, which is not very common. This decreases the susceptibility of cracks, leaks and seepages in the longer run, but also means that owners cannot make any structural changes to the layouts of their units. As explained in the master plan previously, this project consists of 13 towers. All these towers have different heights and layouts depending upon the respective 2, 3 or 4 BHK configurations. The exact information regarding tower height is visible on your screen for better understanding of our viewer. The 2 BHK layout comes with multiple configurations, wherein one can buy a 2-bedroom unit in the typology of Delight, Grand and Luxury. The exact numbers for the layout are as follows. The 2 BHK units are offered in 4 sizes: 915, 1215, 1359 and 1368. The 3 BHK has 2 sizes: 1692 and 1852 square feet. The 4 BHK suites are all located in one tower, which is the Crown Tower, and they roughly have the same size. Out of the 4 per floor, 3 are 2162 and the 4 number unit is 2180. The layouts have very minute differences, but 2180 is often preferred by the buyer. Additionally, most of the bedroom placement is smartly done away from the entrance, which allows for a more peaceful living experience. For individual floor plan explanations and videos, an additional playlist will be available as well. Out of all the 8 types of layout offered in this project, all washrooms are of the same size, which is either 5x8 or 8x5. Therefore, आप कोई भी लेआउट चूज करें, उसमें आपको अप्रोप्रिएट बाथरूम स्पेस जरूर मिलता है। 2 BHK में 915, 1215, 1359 and 1368 के लेआउट्स हैं। 915 relatively एक compact 2-bedroom है. It's usually a good size for a bachelor, but if somebody is planning a house with a family, I think 1215 is like a very basic size that might just be required for any family. 1359 and 1368 are much more luxurious in terms of the size they offer. The layouts are somewhat the same. Now talking about the 3 BHK layout, 1692 is a perfectly sized 3 BHK flat, a 3-bedroom, 3-toilet. 1852 and 1692 have basically the same configuration. Both of them are 3-bedroom, 3-toilet, but 1852 is relatively a little bigger. Drawing dining is slightly bigger, balconies are bigger, and the master bedroom comes with a walk-in closet in 1852. The 4 BHK layouts, 2162 and 2180, don't have much differences. Room sizes are almost the same. Drawing dining has minute differences. 2162 में कहीं ना कहीं एक rectangular kitchen है, and जो balconies है master bedroom की और उसके साथ वाले room की, they are not connected. If I talk about 2180, it has a squarish kitchen which might appeal to a lot of buyers, and it relatively has a bigger running balcony. common area ratio along with many such important real estate terms have been explained in my Everything About Real Estate video. The link for the same is available in the description box below. हर बायर के दिमाग में कई सवाल होते हैं। मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि इस वीडियो में आपको हर उस सवाल का जवाब मिले। CAR is basically super area minus built up area then divided by the super area and multiplied by 100 for the percentage. To understand this, अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट का CAR comes out to be 30%, इसका मतलब सिंपल है कि 30% of the area belongs to all the common facilities and the other 70% is the wall-to-wall area जिसमें आप रहते हैं. The CAR for Shapurji Joyville, as per our calculation, is as follows. For the smallest 2 BHK layout measuring 915 square feet, the built-up area comes out to be 644 square feet, bringing effective CAR to 29.61%. The biggest layout, that is the 4 BHK suite, has a super area of 2180 and has a built-up area of 1536 square feet, bringing CAR to 29.54%. This brings the average CAR of Shapurji to be 29.5% at an average. For reference and comparison of CAR, in all of our videos, we will mention Sobha City's CAR for understanding, as it is one of the most respected and renowned properties of Expressway. So, the CAR for Sobha City's 1711 comes to 18.9%, and for 2434 square feet, it comes to 19.3%. This brings the average to 19.1. CAR for another project in Sector 102 itself, which is MR Imperial Garden, for 2025 square feet size, the super area, carpet area and the balcony area were mentioned in the brochure. We estimated the built-up area to be 1660 square feet. As per our calculation, comes out to be 18%, which is one of the lowest in all of Expressway. So basically project density का मतलब है कि एक एकड़ में कितने फ्लैट्स हैं. This figure is important since इसका direct impact पड़ता है हमारी common area spaces में, may it be roads, society gates, common amenities and so on. So as per our suggestion, this is a very important metric that you should consider जब आप कई projects को compare कर रहे हो. Property लेना सिर्फ location और price का खेल नहीं है. ये गेम है डेप्थ का और इस वीडियो का काम है वो डेप्थ देना. So total number of units in the project are 1528, which when divided by the total land parcel of 17.9 acres gives us the project density of 85.36 flats per acre, which is roughly 3 times that of Adani Oyster Grand, that too in a smaller land parcel than Adani. For comparison, Sobha City has 1548 flats in 39.36 acres, which comes to 39.31 flats per acre. And MR Imperial Garden, जो प्रोजेक्ट सेम सेक्टर में लोकेटेड है, उसमें अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 580 फ्लैट्स हैं 12 एकर्स में, which brings its project density to 48.33 फ्लैट्स पर एकड़. तो इन्हीं नंबर्स को देखते हुए आपको रफ एस्टिमेशन मिल जाएगा कि शाहपुर जी की प्रोजेक्ट डेंसिटी अपने कंपैरिजन में बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. अगर आप रियल एस्टेट के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं and you want to be up to date about all the recent developments in the market, you can join our WhatsApp community. The link for the same is in the pinned comment. Club density का मतलब how much square feet area of clubhouse space is allotted for each family in a project. This is important to understand कि आपके क्लब में कितनी भीड़ रहने वाली है. आपको ये metric projects compare करने में help करेगा. Shapurji Joyville's clubhouse is located at the center of the project and is well equipped, but feels a little crammed up for a total of 1528 families. For this project, the clubhouse space advertised by the developer is 24,000 square feet for 1528 families, bringing the club density to be 15.71 square feet per family, which is very less when we consider that every member of the family will use this space, especially when the outside weather conditions are not optimal. The builder tried to cater to this problem by providing pocket amenity spaces in between of every 2 towers, but again, in a bad weather condition or the Delhi heat, it wouldn't be a very wise decision to use that as a facility. एलिवेटर रेशो या लिफ्ट डेंसिटी टावर बाय टावर वेरी कर सकती है. इसका मतलब एक टावर में कितने फ्लैट्स हैं एंड कितनी लिफ्ट्स हैं. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि कई प्रोजेक्ट्स में रश आवर में लिफ्ट के लिए काफी वेट करना पड़ जाता है. अच्छी लिफ्ट डेंसिटी उस प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करने में आपकी हेल्प करती है. शाहपुर जी जॉयविल में सभी टावर्स में 2 पैसेंजर लिफ्ट्स एंड एक सर्विस लिफ्ट. इन केस ऑफ शाहपुर जी जॉयविल, द लिफ्ट डेंसिटी विल डिपेंड ऑन हाउ मेनी फ्लोर्स अ पर्टिकुलर टावर हैज एंड व्हाट लेआउट्स दे ऑफर. Considering the vastness and variation in the tower heights, there are quite varying lift densities as per different towers. The best density ranges from 29 flats per lift and the highest was 53 flats per lift, bringing the average for Shapurji to be 38.33 flats per lift. The surface level has a total of 378 parking spaces and the basement can accommodate a total of 1191 cars, bringing the total parking capacity of the project to be 1569 ACS, that is equivalent car space. Additionally, Shapurji Palonji Group also offers 2 designated cars parking space for every resident of the 4 BHK tower. That means 184 parking spaces are taken up by the Crown Tower residents. The parking density of Joyville comes to 1.02 ECS per flat, which is not the best in the segment to say the least. Taking all these numbers into consideration, it is safe to say that parking might be an issue in the project in future, considering that the project is still not at 100% occupancy and 1 or 2 cars in every household is a common phenomenon nowadays. The parking density of 1.02 is genuinely very less. It means कि आपकी जितनी पार्किंग्स हैं वो barely residents को accommodate करने लायक है. अगर कोई आपका विजिटर आता है उनकी कार तो फॉर श्योर बाहर लगेगी, एंड अगर रेजिडेंसी 2-2 गाड़ी ले आए तो सोसाइटी में सबकी गाड़ियां बाहर ही लगेंगी. The project is one of the entry-level luxury offerings of the Expressway region, offering a mix of practical and luxury features to its residents. The key amenities of the project can be divided into outdoor facilities, pocket amenity spaces, and club amenities. A fully functional restaurant and industrial-sized air purifiers being our personal favorites. The complete list of these facilities is available on your screens right now. You can also find them in the brochure, which we can share with you over WhatsApp at a number 8181858787. Shahpurji differentiates itself in safety features. This project, like others that come under ERA, have a host of safety features such as fire alarms, extinguishers, smoke detectors, emergency exits and staircases. What is different is panic alarm button by Jio, gas leak detectors, and these houses are also automation ready. Security is one of the major points that has to be considered when comparing projects. Shahpurji Palonji Joyville offers 3-tier security, which means that first you will be checked on the main entrance. The second level of checking would be done at a tower gate, which is designed in a way that it only has one entry and every visitor has to cross the guard room. The third and final level of security is at the individual house level using the video door phones provided by the developer. Every visitor who visits the property can be seen on video as they enter. This project consists of 3 major parks based on different themes and called the Topaz, Sapphire and Coral parks respectively. They are roughly 1 acre each, bringing the total green area to be in the ballpark of 3.5 acres. We are keeping some margin here for all the pocket green spaces built by the developers such as Palm and Maze Gardens as listed in the master layout plan. इस प्रोजेक्ट के सामने 100 acre का हुडा रिजर्व ग्रीन तो है ही, which ensures that some residents will always have a green view from their respective balconies for the times to come, particularly the residents of Tower 1, 2, 3, 4 and 30. When the project was launched, developers used to sell the property at a box price including the GST, but in the past 5 years the trend has shifted and now the prices quoted by the developers are excluding GST. Shahpurji Joyville was launched at an all-inclusive price of ₹7,500 per square feet, but nowadays developers mention the base price and add all different kind of charges later such as club charges, car parking charges, PLC, IFMS, IBMS, EDC, IDC. To know more about them, you can refer to our Everything About Real Estate video, link for the same which is available in the description box below. Talking about the positives of this project. One of the major positives is that all the 3 stakeholders are the same company: developer, builder and landowner. It has an impressive front of 250 meters, it's right opposite to the 100-acre Huda Park. Shahpurji Palonji Group अपने आप में एक बहुत भरोसेमंद ब्रांड है. It has also become the biggest construction company in India after L&T Group. Host of uncommon security features such as panic alarm button and gas leak detectors have been provided by the developer. Sector 102 अपने आप में एक बहुत promising location है since it is extremely central, has no villages, very close to the upcoming 101 metro station. It is in the middle of 5 major schools and has 2 malls, one high street within 2-kilometer radius and Adani's SCO at walking distance. Now talking about the drawbacks of this project. Considering that this project is very heavily dense, all other metrics also suffer. Club density, parking ratio, lift density. Another major drawback of this project is that all the towers are adjoining, which leads to a very cluttered view of the elevation, unlike Adani Oyster Grand, which has next to no adjoining towers. As per our personal opinion, if we keep the hype of this project and the emotions involved in buying a house in India and consider the necessary metrics, there should be a price correction as this project performs poorly on most of the metrics and by multiple folds. That said, this project is nicely constructed, and if you are living here, I don't think you will face any problems for the next 15-20 years other than the crowded parking and common area spaces. As a final takeaway, I will suggest to my viewers that if they are looking to buy a 3 BHK unit in this project, they should stretch their budget a little and go for the 4 BHK unit instead, since it offers a lot of added benefits like 2 car parkings, 4 flats per floor, a single tower, which makes it good from an investment perspective also. Buyers on the lookout for Shahpurji Joyville should also look at MR Imperial Gardens, Conscient Heritage Max and Adani Oyster Grand, since they are in the same locality and very well priced. For more information on these other projects, viewers can refer to the comparison video, which will be available as well, and the link will be available in the description box below. If you have watched this far, you already know. I care, I prepare and I deliver. So why not let me handle the rest too? Whether you choose me or someone else, the brokerage stays the same. The difference, I've already invested in you through this video, this knowledge. So if you're aligned, we should talk. And with that, I thank you. मुझे आपने अपना time दिया. This is Arshdeep Bajaj, and you can contact my team for all your real estate needs on the given number 8181 858787.